Okay, welcome to a new video. I have bought the Makita vacuum cleaner VC2512L. This is what's included in the box. I'm going to unbox this and see what's in the box. You have to do like this. Okay, some hose. Looks really nice finish to the plastic here. Okay, I think it's more stuff inside this. Dust bag, some sort of converter, some more converter, okay, and some plastic bag. I'm not sure what's the difference between these two. I have to read the manual once again. Okay, ready to test this new vacuum cleaner. And we have some different converters here for different kind of tools. If you're going to hook it up to something like this, or maybe you want to try it out with this one. I think it's going to fit also here. Yes, really nice. Or maybe you want to hook it up to this other stove Okay. So I think this is just going to fit like this also. I think maybe I have to read the instructions once again. This vacuum cleaner does not have any Bluetooth support by default. Then you have to buy this accessory. But this saw has the Bluetooth connection. Here you're going to put in a Bluetooth chip. To connect to the vacuum cleaner Bluetooth accessory. Okay, I haven't tried it out yet, so I have to test it out. I'm going to take this one. Okay, let's turn it on, and I think it's only have one speed, on or off. There. Release that guy and that one. Okay, some wood. Going to test this. Okay, I have to try this out a little bit more. I have seen in other YouTube videos that a lot of dust is actually going outside of this. So okay. We also have to test this one. The Jigsaw Makita 18-volt version. Okay. Little bit clumsy, I think, but it's a nice feature to have. Okay, so I'm not sure about this function, if it's good or not, but I think it collected some dust. Okay, then we also have to try this saw. I do not have anything to cut at this time, but I'm just going to fire it up. It's real noisy. I think you have to have some hearing protection for this fellow. Okay, now I will test the vacuum cleaner on a dirty floor with this. Let's try it out. Okay, I'm really happy with these results. I think this is really good value for the money. Okay, let's check this out. This is some kind of, if you get some dust clogged in the pipes here, then you can push this button a couple of times for loosening it up. Then you have your accessories. You can put it like this. You can take this off, put it like this if you want to. And other accessories if you want them. You can put them like this. I'm not sure where this, maybe I did it the wrong way. I'm not sure if this is going to be seated here or... Okay. Okay, so it's too early for me to say if this is a good machine or not. But the first impression is it's okay. It's really good for the money. Here you can have the Bluetooth accessory hooked up. So see you in the next video.